Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First time out with a camera in 2025. Now, my New Year's resolution as far as my wildlife photography was concerned was to check out new places and different places, go to places I haven't been before. And where do I end up? Barnwell Country Park. So I'm back at a stomping ground of mine. However, what I've decided to do is not head round to the hide, not at the moment anyway, that I always venture round to, that you'll have seen in my previous videos, and actually to check out different areas. And right next to the car park, I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's really bright this morning, just behind me is a pond that was absolutely teeming with birds a minute ago. There was long-tailed tits, great tits. I managed to get a shot off of a crow and a robin, so nothing massive at the moment. However, there was a bird in the pond that I've never seen before. And unfortunately, it kept darting in amongst all the reeds and stuff, so I couldn't actually get a clear shot of it or clear visibility, but it wasn't one that I recognised, so I'm going to stick around here for a bit and see if anything else comes up. So stick around, let's see what birds we can find today.
Counting down the days till I'm warm again. Only cold until you stay. I'll be warm again. Yeah, I'll be warm again.
You Bob. Okay, so we've come round to the other hide at Barnwell. It's very peoply down here today, and I wanted to try and get away from all the noise and hustle and bustle. I would have thought, with it being a Thursday, 2nd of January, that it would have been quite quiet down here, but I think people have obviously taken the time off to spend with the kids while they're off school. So yeah, I've come in here to get away from all the noise. And it's a hide that I've only ever been in once before. Now, this is more of a pond hide as opposed to designated more towards small birds. At present, there's just some mallards and potentially a gadwall. And I did get a nice picture of a moorhen swimming across the water. So I'm going to sit here for a bit longer and, yeah, actually see what turns up. As I say, I want to see different parts of Barnwell because I'm so used to just pulling up here and going straight to the other hide that I actually want to try and capture something different from down here. Now, one thing I will say as well is when you come out to do bird photography and wildlife photography, you don't always have to come out with the goal of capturing something new. It's always wonderful to see a bird that you've never photographed before. But even if you're just out here shooting mallards and tits and things like that, it's just great to be out. So don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just come out and enjoy it. It's been a good day photography wise. It's a bit busy, so not done much video work, but tell you what, it's been great for the photography. Now, I just want to come back and highlight about the point that I started to make previously. Do you know what? It doesn't matter if you don't come out and get a shot for the life list, first time you've seen a bird. It's always great when you do that, but I have to say, any day you're out with the camera is a good day. Any day you take a photo is a good day. And any day you manage to bag your first shot of a particular bit of bird or wildlife, it's a good day. Always remember that. Always remember it's a good day. Ooh, noisy children. What I will say, I'm just going to walk over here a bit so I'm out of the way, is I've taken a lot of pictures of robins today. There's a lot about, and it's wonderful. But I've taken loads of shots of robins previously, and do you know what? I don't care if it's my first or my 500th picture of a particular bird. Any day I am out with the camera, and any day I'm photographing wildlife is a good day. So always bear that in mind. Now I'm actually back at the pond that I started at, and I'm going to have another wander around to another area quickly, but I am going to be heading home soon. I'm not signing out yet, so let's go see if we can find any more birds. Okay, so yes, I finished in my hide, and it was really active. It was brilliant. I didn't do any recording from in there because there was another photographer in there as well, so you know, would kind of be rude. Oh, sorry, I'm only just getting over this damn flu that everyone's had. Got it just before Christmas. Still left it in my chest, but there we go. Okay, so, well, first trip out of the year with the camera, and I think that's a success. Now, I'm going to summarise though. What I say, it wasn't an intentional topic, but I just wanted to make that point that any day you're out with the camera is a good day, and it has been a good day. As I say, most of the birds that I've photographed today, I've photographed several times previously, and I don't care. It's just wonderful to be out and actually doing it. So, yeah. Oh, there's a bench here, so I'm going to pop the camera down and sign out. But yeah, just don't go out. Oh, sorry. Make sure it's secure. Yeah, just don't go out and feel disheartened if you only capture pictures of robins or mallards or swans or anything like that. Just embrace it and enjoy it. Because I tell you what, I have. So, yeah. So my first trip out of 2025, as I say, one of my resolutions for my wildlife photography was to go to different places, and I've ended up back at somewhere I've been several times. Let's pop the bag down. And what I tried to do though was, in fairness, I tried to explore different areas rather than just going to that hide. And yeah, it's been really successful. So I'm going to sign out now. I know there's not a lot of video, but you know, it is what it is. So obviously, if you've liked this one, give us the old thumbs up, and if you agree with the topic, let me know. Drop some subscribes from down the bottom if you don't already, and don't forget, hit that notification bell. And yeah, this is my account. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.
Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you.